Hey designers, it's Adriana from Adriana's Paper Crafts. I'm going to show you how to use more than one Cricut machine at a time. As you can see here, I have my Cricut desktop app open and I'm about to start cutting out my first project. To cut out a second project, just go to File, up at the top left, and click New Window. When this new window opens, I recommend putting your two Cricut windows up side by side, just like this. Now that you have your two project windows open, you'll need to assign each project to one of your Cricut machines. At the top right of each screen, you can see which machine is currently assigned to your project. My left project has my Maker assigned to it, which means I need to assign my right project my Explore Air 2. Now the trick to making this work is to not double book your Cricut machines. Each project has to have its own machine assigned to it. Once you've assigned your project its own Cricut machine, you can then make it. Now when you go to make your project, this screen may ask you again to select which machine you want to connect. So this is going to be a good time for you to confirm that each project has its own machine. From there, just select your materials for each project, make sure you have everything ready to go, and continue on with your project as normal. As you can see here, I have both my Cricut Maker and my Explore Air 2 going at the same time. Now I highly suggest taking it slow the first couple of times you do this, that way you don't mix up your projects. For example, cutting project 2 on machine 1 or vice versa. Now from what I've seen, there are no limits to the amount of machines that you can use at one time. I've even seen someone using 6 machines at once, so that's pretty cool. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something new today, be sure to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.